Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find your posts on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application. Now as you see here, go to this to the bottom, you will find your profile, click on it, and here as you see you will find your posts and the replies and the media, the videos, all of them you will find them here. And that's it. That's how to find posts easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.